It's important to hire an attorney who has a lot of experience in handling personal injury cases and especially truck accident cases. In a lot of truck accident cases, those drivers are required to keep records, to keep timesheets. They're not allowed to be on the highway over an extended period of time. So there's some specific rules and regulations that apply to truck drivers that don't apply to other motorists. So it's important to consider hiring a lawyer who's had some experience in pursuing cases against truck drivers.